Alright, guys. Witness despair. I'm just gonna, like, lower the volume. Like I said, the volume, the audio for this is, like, super fucked up. Because I was using my shitty Chinese GoPro, and it didn't work out too well. But yeah, this was me getting the whole thing set up. The thing that I was missing, though, was the celery. And I wasn't gonna go back to the store and buy the celery.
And God said, no sound of heresy shall be heard.
Yeah, but you get to witness it, though. Oh, yeah, there's that crushed pineapple. Let's fucking go, dude. I didn't realize how disgusting that looked off screen. Just coming off screen.
WTF is crushed pineapple.
That's what you see right there, buddy. That chunk. And then we got the jello pouring in right now. That's the lemon jello right there. You know what? Like, honestly, like, from what I could taste, the lemon pudding, or the lemon jello and the pineapple actually did taste pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. Like, that did taste good, but, like, everything else in it was, like, absolutely foul and disgusting.
Pineapple is so good, OMGG.
Pineapple is pretty good. I thought I edited that fucking shit out. I guess I didn't. It was whatever, it's fine. It's too late. But, yeah, we're gonna see my face at the end of the year anyways. You get a slight
Doxed.
spoiler. Doxed, yeah,
Clipped.
whatever. Clipped. Whatever. Y'all get a slight spoiler from for the end of the year stream or whatever. But yeah. No, now it's just mixing the jello until it becomes like kind of thickish. You gotta let it get thick. But other than that, like I said, the jello and the lemon, or the jello and the pineapple did actually taste pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. But like throwing everything else into it was disgusting. I hated it so much. We need like more music for this. I guess we got done with the album. What a rip. Give me a second. Should I just... No, wait. White. That audio. Here we go. Let's see what else was going on. Yeah, we can probably skip a little bit. Because, like, right now all I'm doing is just, like, stirring it up. Because you gotta wait for it to, like, thicken up a little bit. And then, like, once it's thickened, that's when you know it's ready for the rest of the ingredients. Yeah, so, like, right there, we're kind of getting it. Oh, yeah, crushed pecans. The good shit. Man, it hurt me so much to waste this bag right here. Like, it really did. It was like, god damn it, I can't believe I'm wasting pecans like this, because I fucking love pecans. Like, some of my favorite nuts. And I just wasted them like that. Honestly, I didn't need to put that much in there. I should have just put half in there, and then I still could have had some pecans left to, like, snack on. And then... Nah. It starts to take on, it starts to look like vomit after a while. I'm not gonna lie. Whatever. No one streams this long and doesn't have their face doxed at least once. Yeah, I got it all. Oh yeah, that's the cream cheese right there. I think that goes in last. Oh yeah, pimentos. That's a if you don't know what pimentos are, it's a red type of pepper or chili. I think it's a chili. I don't know. But it may be a pepper. I think it's a peppers on the top. But I've never used them before, and I don't exactly know what you would use pimentos in. I mean, I'm assuming you're not supposed to use an entire jar like I did, but I mean that's what the recipe called for this cheese salad. No, Oni-chan. Gotta get these out of the way. You gotta dump in our bell peppers. I was like, oh shit, how do I do this? It's like, I know, like this.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, let's fucking go. My cutting board was a little too big. How does this make you feel, whereas? Because it doesn't make me feel good. I wasted $25 on this shit. And it was not good. It was not a fun experience waiting like half a day. Because that's what I had to do. After I was done freezing it or whatever, I had to fucking put it in the fucking fridge for like 12 hours. Oh yeah, let's get that cream cheese in there. Cream my cheese up, baby. Ooh.
At least you have a plastic cutting board. My mum bought me a stone one, and it's more like a decoration. This feels like people who know nothing and using bananas instead of plantains.
Oh man, a stone cutting board? A stone cutting board does sound pretty cool, but god damn, that would... I can't imagine what that would do to your knife after a while.
https://clips.twitch.tv/gleamingwittyjuicenoninocat-dtcxig9_qsnux70.
Yep. Honestly, it wasn't that bad. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be.
Not just the knife. I physically cannot just transfer stuff from the board to whatever I'm cooking.
Okay, I get what you're saying then. But,
it's
look.
sad it didn't taste that good.
Look at that.
Because sitting here watching you make this is making me hungry.
Are you serious? What? Bro, I'm about to put fucking whipped cream in this shit right now. This isn't
Looks
supposed
like
to be good.
slop.
It is slop, dude. It's the worst kind of slop you can imagine. Yeah. Look at that shit. We haven't even got to the best part yet. We gotta add the whipped cream. Oh, if you're wondering why it looks like someone ran a finger through there, I like ran my finger through it. Because I was like, I'm not gonna like fucking waste all this whipped cream and not have a little bit of taste. There you go. Hell yeah. I gotta get that one last slick in. I love whipped cream so much. It's so good. Oh, God. I hope you're enjoying this. If only you could hear, like, the sloshing. If only you could hear the sloshing that this thing made while I was making this. It was awful. It's okay. Yeah, just cover it up. Honestly, like, it was so hard to actually get the whipped cream to blend in. It really was.
This is classified as torture if you feed this to prisoners under Geneva Convention.
It really would be, dude. It's got this weird, like, texture to it that I did not like. Got whipped cream on my gloves. Whatever, just wipe it off on my pants. I think I'm wearing the same outfit. No, I got a different shirt on. I got a Pink Floyd shirt on right now. Oh, God, this was awful. Like, how much work I gotta put into this just to, like, blend the whipped cream in. Honestly, I think I probably should have got, like, a bigger Jell-O pack. But but what they told me was just like a standard box. Hand was getting tired. I should have used a, like something else. I don't know what. Like maybe a whisk. A whisk might have been better than just using a spoon. Yeah, just blend it in there. I think that's all the ingredients though.
Truly, the world needs to declare jihad upon this abomination.
Well, you'd have to do that against Jack Scalfani, because he's the guy that made this shit. I hate it so much. I was like, I got anything else to put in? I was like, oh no, wait, the cheese goes in last. Here we go. We get to my favorite part. The pour. And that's just like a permanent stain that's underneath the glass thing. I did clean the thing up.
Don't tell me it needs to be oven cooked.
No, it doesn't need to be oven cooked. You need to chill it in the refrigerator for like 4 to 12 hours, depending like how cold your fridge is. Mine ended up taking like 8 hours to chill. So, you know, whatever. I was like, I'm not even gonna care about putting the rest of it in there. Oh, yeah. And then I didn't film myself putting the cheese on. Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, mine can chill for the next 200,000 years in Antarctic.
It's like, nah, that shit's fucking nasty. It's like the worst fucking thing I've ever eaten. I was like, nah. I got the taste and I was done. I was like, I'm fucking done with this. I'm never wasting food again. I think I went back for seconds on that one. This is like, nah, we're fucking done here, man. Like, we're not doing this anymore. We're not wasting food. Yeah, right there, I just kind of bitched about it for like a hot minute.
Doctor asks what you ate in past 24 hours. Mission impossible.
I don't know, Doc. How do I tell you that I mixed cheese, like that I made Aunt Mirren's cheese salad? How do I tell you that? I literally don't know how to tell you that. It just happened.